The main inspiration for this particular apartment came from the stereotypical 2000s era loft. We like to use different materials and colors to define functional areas and create custom furniture pieces to give the space personality. I am Piermattia, an architect and one of the founders of Atelierzero, an architecture and interior design studio based in Milan. The apartment is located in the Lambrate district, an interesting neighborhood undergoing urban transformation and regeneration. The building is part of an early 20th century structure that originally had an industrial purpose and is recently being converted to residential use. The owner of the apartment is one of our trusted suppliers, a young marble worker who runs the family-owned business Bianco 67, with whom we often collaborate with. He lives in the apartment with his girlfriend. He only asked us to incorporate some marble in the design as a way to represent his company and his craft. The apartment was previously an office consisting of 2 workrooms, a bathroom and a small storage area. A dropped ceiling partially concealed the true height of the space, and everything was very dark and run down. During the renovation, we removed all the existing walls. The large windows guided our decision to keep the adjacent space as open as possible in order to maximize the flow of natural light into the living area. A new kitchen was added to the corner of the apartment and can be hidden away behind the curtains. We then created a multifunctional volume which would be the centerpiece of the apartment. Above the volume, we added a custom platform for the mezzanine bedroom.
What does a magazine look like when you jam it full of intoxicating Greekness? Dreamlike logic, Campeggio's convertible creations, roboty sculptures, Jaime Hayon's contagious creative compulsions, intimate home portraits from Japan, and Enzo Mari-inspired creatures? Well, it looks like this, and this, and this, this, and this. And it includes sexy as hell small apartments from Amsterdam, Athens, and Milan too, as well as a spectacular archive of stickers and labels telling stories of design histories. And it also features the 100% definitive and scientifically proven principles of timeless design.
Disclaimer, not 100% definitive or scientifically proven.
Wait, there's more! There is a salami factory turned art museum, and there are very unkitcheny kitchens, laundries, legacies, mythology, and some seriously hot pots. Oh my. Get your copy now.
By the entrance there is a narrow niche left over from before the renovation, which makes a perfect place for the closest rack. The client also wanted to use this apartment as an office and a kind of showroom, so we wanted it to be welcoming and feel like a hotel lobby. The living area is open and spacious. It features low metal bookshelves where the client can display magazines, objects and marble sample. The client loved design and has included some iconic pieces such as the Le Corbusier Chaiselong and the Toyo lamp. There was another niche left over from before the renovation, which we use as a bookshelf and to display a vase in travertine marble that we designed for the client. Completing the space is a marble coffee table made by the client, and it's based on a design by the architecture studio Kick Office. The white wall opposite the sofa is ideal for a portable projector, which the client uses instead of a TV. The dining table is designed by Tino Sober from Agglomerati and crafted using marble from the client. The round shape helps for better movement around the space. We designed the pendant light above the dining table. It's a steel disc, polished on both sides, which creates a playful reflection. The linear kitchen is very simple and custom-made. It can be completely concealed thanks to a full high curtain. It's especially handy when clients visit. They do not even realize that there is a kitchen behind the curtains. To keep a clean, minimal look, we integrated the dishwasher and exhaust fan. The refrigerator is integrated into the marble-clad volume behind the black wooden door. The red hue of the curtains and the tone of the marble complement each other and bring warmth to the space. The centerpiece of the space is the volume in marble and wood, cladded in pleated red travertine slabs. Behind one of the doors is a storage closet. This is where the client can keep most of his household items. Behind the door in the marble volume is the walk-in closet. It features an open shelving system from IKEA. It's the main storage of the apartment, so we wanted it to be easy to access but also hidden away. From the walk-in closet there is a door that leads to the bathroom. The bathroom is perhaps the space that deviates most from the overall minimal industrial aesthetic. The choice of red originated from the Red Room in Twin Peaks. The idea was to create an unexpected and immersive moment that subverted the expectations. The bathroom is composed of a niche housing the red sink and another niche containing the shower. The toilet and bidet are in a small dedicated corner. A red curtain, same as the one in the kitchen, conceals the laundry room. It's an awkward corner that sits under the communal staircase in the building, so we use it to hide away the boiler and the washing machine. The sleeping area is up in the mezzanine above the bathroom. To get up the mezzanine, we designed a metal wall-mounted ladder, evoking an industrial aesthetic. The bed is set into a cutout to maximize the height. Basically, the mezzanine space is fully dedicated to the double mattress. This also helps to conceal the bed when looking from below. Most people don't even realize there is a bed up there, and that was exactly the plan from the beginning. Even in small spaces, we believe there should always be room for beauty, surprise and comfort. What I like most about the apartment is the open space. You are like in this sort of big room. The feeling that you feel with the red curtain that warm everything. The light that is not direct but is always very bright. I think that this is the thing I love the most.
Sign up to our newsletter for subscriber-only content and exclusive offers. Visit nevertoosmall.com/subscribe.